Welcome to another interview here from Evertiq Expo in Tampere 2025. I'm joined by Terho Koivisto from Confidee, a PCB compliance and supply partner. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
We quite recently left 2024. How was last year for Confidee?
For Confidee, it was really good. I would say that we were increasing our business quite a lot. And it's though, of course, that the market was going down, but we as a small player, we were growing and growing with the business, so to say.
And we're just leaving the first quarter of 2025. What's the feeling for the new year?
I would say that we have seen the bottom of the dip, so to say. It looks like that it starts to go upwards.
Yeah.
I can see that there is quite a lot of new products and quite a lot of new prototyping ongoing. So it looks that we say the last quarter of this year will be heading back to what it was like in 22 or so.
As a PCB sourcing partner with a heavy focus on high reliability and defense, how does the situation on the European PCB market affect you, considering the fact that the European PCB market has been becoming smaller and smaller for decades now due to heavy pressure from Asia? How does a situation like that affect your kind of business?
Of course, it has an effect on the business because the suppliers in Europe are smaller, they are fewer, etc. And therefore, we have supply from Asian countries that are outside of China. So there are several possibilities for manufacturers to supply to Europe from countries outside Europe, but outside China as well. So that's been growing quite a lot.
And with the geopolitical situation that is now, and your heavy focus towards the defense sector, do you see a growing need to re-establish European PCB production?
Yes, I do, actually. I do that. I know that there is a possibility for the companies that exist to grow within the defense area, but also for new companies to kind of establish new manufacturing in Europe. But the only problem, I would say, is that the PCB as it is, or the manufacturing of the PCB, that's not educated anywhere. And we soon start to have these old guys like me going for retirement. So we are in the last minutes to kind of move back the production, because the knowledge will go into the grave, or at least to the retirement.
So according to you, what needs to be done? Is this a marketing issue from the industry, that the young people don't know that this exists?
That's exactly how it is, because we say the market itself, as said, you need to kind of make more advertisement that how and where the PCBs are manufactured. And the thing is that a lot of our customers actually do not know that their PCBs, there might be restrictions to kind of import the PCBs from certain countries, China in most cases, and they still do it because they don't know the legislation. And that is a problem. And therefore I see that there is a huge possibility for more manufacturing in Europe. But we are in the last minutes to change it back.
So something needs to happen now.
Exactly. Now.
Okay. You heard it here. Europe needs more PCB production, and Terho and I are going to do our part and work for it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.